What's going on everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm going to presume that you're here because you're a big fan of streaming and of course you're a big fan of music, but you're looking to bring them both together. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you in less than 5 minutes how you can get a super clean media tab there that really sets your stream off, that will allow viewers to see what you're listening to connected directly via Spotify. Before we jump in, if you don't know me, my name is Kazerblade. I am a YouTube content creator and Twitch streamer. The link to that will be down below. At the moment we're streaming nearly every day. If you did find this video useful, please consider leaving a like rating, subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification bell just so you get updated as to when I upload. With that in mind, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first up, you're going to need to choose your preferred music streaming platform. That for me is Spotify. I've not tested this on any other platforms, but I'm sure it won't be too much different. Once you've chosen your platform, head on over to Streamlabs OBS. Now in Streamlabs OBS, be sure to choose the scene you want on the left hand side and then proceed to add the source to this in the center. For this, we will be selecting the window capture and then of course adding the source. Feel free to rename this how you wish. For now we're changing ours to Spotify. Now for the settings, you'll need to have Spotify open as a full window and then you can select the shown file. Now it's worth noting that yours may well show Spotify free or premium if you do not currently have a song chosen or paused in the background. Once you've set up the window capture, you should see a live feed from your Spotify page directly. From here, we're simply going to hold Alt and click and drag from the top down to crop the section you wish to see on the stream. Now you cannot crop this diagonally from what I've experienced, so be sure to crop the side lastly until you're happy. After this is done, it's then simply up to you to move it into a place of your preference. And as you can see from the widget below, as you cycle through the various songs on your open full page Spotify, it will give you a notification on stream wherever you've placed the widget as to which song is playing. So that does bring us to the end of the video. By now, you should have a super clean stream and also a media display label to show your viewers exactly what you're watching. I really do hope you found this video useful. Let me know by leaving a thumbs up if you did, and also if you want to check out any more tutorials or gameplay footage, that's all here on the channel. If you want to engage with me directly, please feel free to follow my Twitch. I'm streaming basically every single day at the moment. Other than that guys, that's it from me. I've been me, you've been you, and thank you very much for watching. Take care.